Welcome. Let us begin.
Life will bring you pain all by itself. Your responsibility is to create joy. You don't take insults, you leave them with the insulter. Until you are willing to be confused about what you already know, what you know will never grow bigger, better, or more useful. The unconscious works without your knowledge, and that is the way it prefers. There are so many things in human living that we should regard not as traumatic learning, but as incomplete learning, unfinished learning. I have no intention of dying. In fact, it will be the last thing I do. People do not come into therapy to change their past, but their future. Change will lead to insight far more often than insight will lead to change. Little is really known of the actual potentials of human functioning. Life isn't something you can give an answer to today. You should enjoy the process of waiting, the process of becoming what you are. There is nothing more delightful than planting flower seeds and not knowing what kind of flowers are going to come up. Don't ask why the patient is the way he is. Ask for what he would change. You see, we don't know what our goals are. We learn our goals only in the process of getting there. I don't know what I'm building, but I'm going to enjoy building it. And when I get through building it, I'll know what it is. When I wanted to know something, I wanted it undistorted by somebody else's imperfect knowledge. The unconscious mind is decidedly simple, unaffected, straightforward, and honest. It hasn't got all this facade, this veneer of what we call adult culture. It's rather simple, rather childish. It is direct and free. You can't affect the cards that you are dealt, but you can determine how you play them. What is easiest to see is often overlooked. Patients are patients because they are out of rapport with their own unconscious. Patients are people who have had too much programming, so much outside programming that they have lost touch with their inner selves. Therapy is often the matter of tipping the first domino. Every person's map of the world is as unique as their thumbprint. There are no two people alike, no two people who understand the same sentence the same way. So when dealing with people, try not to fit them to your concept of what they should be. Life is lived in the present and directed toward the future. Each person is a unique individual. Hence, psychotherapy should be formulated to meet the uniqueness of the individual's needs, rather than tailoring the person to fit the Procrustean bed of hypothetical theory of human behavior. Allow yourself to see what you don't allow yourself to see. Enlightenment is always preceded by confusion. The most important thing in changing human behavior is the person's motivation. People who accomplish a great many things are people who have freed themselves from biases. They are the creative people. A goal without a date is just a dream. You use hypnosis not as a cure, but as a means of establishing a favorable climate in which to learn. Dreams, puns, elisions, play on words, and similar tricks that we ordinarily think of as frivolous all play a surprising and somewhat disconcerting role in the communication of important and serious feelings. Trance is a natural, everyday experience. You can pretend anything and master it. Life's difficulties are merely necessary roughage.
Thank you for your time. Stay strong.